If you've ever tried selling kids printables online, like coloring pages or worksheets, you know how exciting the idea sounds. Create once, sell forever, right? But here's the real story most people don't tell. They jump in, they upload a few printables to Etsy or some marketplace, they wait and wait and wait. And guess what? Sales never show up. Not because their printables are bad, not because they're lazy, but because the system is stacked against them from day one. Here are the 5 big reasons. Number 1, crowded marketplaces. Your work gets buried under thousands of competitors. Number 2, listing fees and commissions eat your profits before you even start earning. Number 3, you don't own your customers, no email list, no repeat buyers. Number 4, setting up your own store is overwhelming. The tech and design struggles are real. Number 5, time gets wasted on setup instead of making money. Let's be honest, you wanted a business, not a tech degree. The real problem isn't your products. The real problem is you don't own your platform. Because if you had your own store, you control everything: your branding, your prices, your profits, your customer relationships. This is how success becomes predictable. So here's a simple truth. There is a proven plan to grow a kid's printables business. Step 1, create or source printables. Step 2, set up your store. Step 3, add products with descriptions and downloads. Step 4, promote and scale. But look closely. Most people get stuck on Step 2 and Step 3. Store setup and product uploading drain all their energy. By the time everything is ready, they're exhausted and still have 0 sales. So here's the smarter way to think. What if the hardest steps were already completed for you? Imagine launching your store in minutes with products already inside and everything working behind the scenes. That's where things become exciting. Introducing Kiddy Store Fortune. It's a fully built kids' printables e-commerce store for WordPress, already loaded with over 10,000 pages of kids' activities, planners, and printables. That's more than 60 product bundles, complete with titles, descriptions, images, and download links. No product creation, no design, no tech headaches. Just a professional store ready to launch as soon as you import it. You simply install the store, connect PayPal or Stripe, and start promoting. As someone with years of experience in affiliate marketing and SEO, I love that this gives you a real business asset, a store you own, a brand people remember, profits that go directly to you. This is how you stand out in the kids' printables market in 2025. And the best way to understand how powerful this is? Let me show you how the store looks, how customers browse products, and how smooth the buying experience is. Once you see it in action, you'll feel the difference instantly.
Hey, it's Don here. Welcome to Kiddy Store Fortune. In this demo video, I'll walk you through my latest product, the done-for-you kids store, and how to install it. As you can see, we have a beautiful professional website here with everything pre-designed and preloaded. Attractive slider design with kiddie style that instantly grabs attention. We then have shopping by age, featured products, bestsellers, and more. And then we have a section where customers can click the filter buttons to view the printable type they want. The product page is clean and optimized for user experience and conversion. Everything is designed to eliminate all the hard work on the store owner's end. User flow is designed to be extremely simple. So when I say it's a done-for-you store, I really meant it. This is a website with pre-done copy and graphics. All the products come ready to sell right out of the box. Just install, plug a payment method, and you're ready to go. Here's the main shop page with product listings and quick filters. Customers can filter by price range and categories and sort products through multiple options. Let's take a look at a store customer's perspective. The site also comes with a beautiful, clean, and easy-to-use account system. Customers can view their order and access the purchased materials easily. So let's see how easy it is to install the site. I have a fresh WordPress site here. Let's go to its admin dashboard, go to Plugins, and install the backup plugin. WP Vivid is my preferred plugin, but I provide files for all-in-one WP migration as well. After installing and activating the plugin, we can upload the provided backup file and start installing. After uploading the file, we'll begin restoring the backup. The installation time depends on your hosting's performance, but with my setup, you can install the site on any average hosting in 5 to 10 minutes. After the installation is done, you'll have a fully done store, ready to work right out of the box. This done-for-you kid store is perfect for anyone who wants to tap into the profitable kids printable and educational market, and is great for anyone who's looking to build a high-potential e-commerce business with 99% of the work done for them. I repeat, 99% of the work is done. Just install, plug in any preferred payment method, and this store is ready to run. So if you're looking to start a real online business in the booming kids niche, offer products parents and teachers will love, and build a store that brings in profit month after month, Kiddy Store Fortune is your ready-made path to make it happen. And right now, it's available with early bird access. So you can grab the entire package for just a fraction of what it would cost to design, create, and set up even one part of it from scratch. Don't wait. Lock in your early bird deal today, and I'll see you inside.
Something I really appreciate? You also get marketing tools ready to use. A promo video for your store, social media templates for fast posting, preloaded blog posts for SEO, legal pages already written, step-by-step training, and 1 full year of support. These aren't random bonuses. They remove the biggest roadblocks people face when launching a store. It's like the creator studied every frustration and fixed all of them before you even start. So let's quickly recap the full picture. You want to earn with kids' printables, but marketplaces bury your work and take your profits. Building your own store from scratch takes forever. Kiddy Store Fortune lets you skip the struggle and go straight to launching a real store that makes sales. This is your business, your traffic, your customers, your money. No middleman, no delays, no stress. If you're serious about turning your creativity into income and you're ready for a smarter shortcut, check out Kiddy Store Fortune using the link below before the launch discount and bonuses disappear. This could be the moment where your business stops being an idea and starts becoming a brand people trust, love, and return to. You deserve that win. Let's make it happen.